not really a tutorial. This is more of a like, I just did this video because I was just like bored. It's a snowstorm outside. I had to drop something. Well, I had to do something. There's nothing to drop. So this was a look that I did not have in mind. It's just a random look. I was just freestyling through the whole thing. But one thing I did include in this video that I wanted to include was the highlighters I use, because I've had people ask me, what kind of highlighters do you use, blah blah. So yeah, as you see my makeup, it took a lot of freaking time. It was so time consuming. That's why I had to go off camera a lot of times. But I hope you enjoy watching this, and like and subscribe. Or not. Okay, so I'm gonna start by my eyes with Pro Concealer FAWN, and then I'm gonna set my eyes up with black Opal setting powder. So as you see, I kind of started on my eyeshadow. I'm using 28 Modern Matte Palette by BHCosmetics. I was using this color right here, as you see, and I will be using this one to go darker, because you don't want to just jump from a color to another. You want to transition to that color. So now I'm gonna use this Kiss eyeshadow I bought. This is like the number right back here. I don't know. And it's a reddish color, so I'm gonna use it. So now that the red is done, I am going to use my NYX blush. It broke, so bear with me. And I'm gonna use it like a little bit to like align my crease around here. Well, to define it, I mean, just a little bit, not that much. So now that I did it, you can't really notice it, but it's whatever. I'm gonna use my Kiss eyeshadow. It's brown, and I'm gonna use it on my crease, so you'll see a big difference on that, I promise. So I kind of went off camera, and I had to do my my brown eyeshadow on the crease, and I kind of messed up on this eye, so I had to restart it all over. Hey, yo, so I did it off camera too. Something I did was like put concealer over here. I couldn't do all that. I'm like, you know what, I'm just might as well just do it, because that was really time consuming. So for the shimmers, right, I've used the previous palette that I showed you, and I've also used this color over here from my BHCosmetics palette. It's broken, so don't mind it, but it's to make it a little bit darker and more blendable, because it was looking way too light and way too popping. Like, so now I'm going to be applying this glitter onto like my crease line, and yeah. So as you see, I kind of started already on it, and I'm gonna apply some more because I am extra as fuck. So as you see, I kind of already applied my glitter, and sometimes I'm like so extra, I might just apply more, because like it's just like as y'all see, I kind of did my liner, and I'm gonna put some glitter on my liner because I'm extra, and I'm gonna put glitter everywhere because everything's cuter with glitter, like, I swear. So as y'all see, I'm already done with my eyelashes, and I'm done with my mascara and everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my contours, and yeah. So like, I'm done baking and everything. I still have to put lipstick on, and I have to put my highlighters on, but before that I want to show y'all like my 3 types of like highlighters I like to use, because that's how the pictures come out popping with that glow, you feel me? So I like to use from this contour palette from Black Radiance. I got it at CVS for like $9. I like to use their highlight, it's pretty good. I like to also use the Milani Chiffon highlight. It's like an eyeshadow highlight, but I use it as a highlighter. And it's pretty pigmented, like, it's pretty pigmented, and I like to use it. And I also like to use the bronzer because people be like, oh, it's kind of like, I don't know, like, people might say like it's not the same color, like it might be the same shade as my skin, but it gives me the glow. So I like to use this. I got it for like $8 at Kmart. And yeah, those are pretty much the only 3 highlighters I like to use on my face. So now I've applied my lipstick. I actually got my lipstick from Sephora. I got it for like, what, I think it was $14. This, I love this color. This color is called like, my vision is trash right now, but it's number 43. Don't know the name because I can't see it. And this is it. This is more of a winter makeup, so I hope y'all like it, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.